Folks, our friends at Ninja did it again. They sent me out a care package here. Can't wait to get it open. We got the Ninja Double Stack XL 2-drawer air fryer. I've been seeing this all over. I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Full disclosure, I had my hands on it for over a month now. I've been so backed up with content. I'm finally getting to it. So let's get into this. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to do a first look on everything. Not going to cook on it yet. That'll be another video. When I do the first cook, hit the link, do the YouTube thing. Link's up there, all right? But we're going to do the first look, unbox. Take a look at this bad boy. Stick around. All right, let's go through all the features of this bad boy. We got it out of the box. We got a handful of things we want to go over on this thing. Let's just start with the overall look of the unit. It's thinner. It holds more than most air fryers. So according to Ninja, it's 40% slimmer than their I'm pointing over here like I got one over here. Their double air fryer. Okay, it's their double air fryers like this. This one's like this, right? Trust me, there's one right here. But it has 2 times the capacity of a normal air fryer. What I like about it is you could actually cook 4 things at once. They call it the double stack. So each of these drawers comes with a crisper plate and a meal rack. So that's how you're cooking 4 different things at once. Very cool feature. You do not have to use both drawers if you don't want to. There's a single drawer option, a single drawer button. One thing I noticed, I plugged this in real quick. The highest the temperature goes to is 450, and that's on the roast setting and the air fryer setting. It doesn't go any higher than that. We're not straight grilling in here, but 450 degrees is more than enough to get you where you want to be. The main unit here has 6 programmable functions, and those are air fryer, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The best things about Ninja is when they come out with these cookers, they have multi-functions. Even my indoor grill can bake, right? I love the fact that they build in different functions. You get more for your money and you get more out of the unit, right? Right. One of the cooking settings is smart finish. So if you're using both baskets, but say you got salmon in the top one and chicken in the bottom one, obviously the chicken's gonna take a little bit longer than that salmon, right? So you could set up the cook so they finish at the same time, which is awesome, right? Makes it good so you're not having food just sit while you're waiting for the other food to finish, right? Both of these drawers add up to 10 quarts, so that's plenty of space in this bad boy. And the fact that they're stackable reduces the footprint in your kitchen. It fits under most standard kitchen cabinets, so this is perfect for the kitchen. It's thin, gets it out of the way, and you're gonna use it more often than you think you will. Another cook setting is match cook. So for their example is 2 chickens, so 2 full whole chickens in each basket. Set them up so they finish at the same time. I'm not sure I'm gonna be cooking 2 chickens in this thing, but I kind of want to now, seeing that it's part of that manual, and hey, why not? Give it a shot, right? Nice roasted chicken. I'm digging the setup for this. There ain't too many Ninja products that I don't really dig. The creamy comes to mind, but we won't talk about that. That's a video for the other. That's a video for another day. One thing I've noticed is there is a science to setting up this double stack as far as what you're cooking. For the crisper basket, you want to put like your vegetables, your carbohydrates, whatever. And then you're going to put your meal rack on top of that, and that's where you're going to put your proteins. So you want your proteins cooking from the top down to get a nice full-on cook. And for like when you put chicken on top of like potatoes, while you're roasting that chicken and roasting those potatoes, that good chicken fat is just dropping down on those potatoes, and starts crisping up in there. That's one we're gonna do for sure. All right, guys, we're coming up on back to school time, right? We actually, fun fact, have 3 kids going into college this year. All right, we got 2 freshmen and 1 working on his master's right now. We are going to be getting a couple more of these bad boys, and they're going in the dorm with our kids. All right, this is a perfect dorm appliance. You can get plenty of cooking done. They're not, I was gonna say they're not just gonna be eating Hot Pockets and ramen, but this is a great Hot Pocket cooker. They're going to either their apartments or their dorms. So if you guys want to set your kids up for success in college, I'm not saying Ninja is going to be a part of it, but I'm not saying they're not gonna be a part of it, and there'll be a link down below if you want to get one of these bad boys. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. We are going to do a more in-depth review, cook, whatever in the next video. And like I said, it'll be up in the corner over here once it's done. But just like every other cool project or gadget I get, I like to get it out of the box and do a first look with you guys so you can kind of see what all comes with it. But there will be more cooks on it, so you stay tuned. If you're not subscribed and you're just checking my channel out to look at this bad boy, hit that subscribe button, the bell next to it, all that good stuff. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing first look video of the Ninja Double Stack XL 2 basket air fryer. But guys, that's about it. If you'd like to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of the screen right now, people that know they got to get a Double Stack XL 2 drawer air fryer by Ninja, there are 2 ways to join up. Either you can hit that Patreon link in my video description or the join button right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.